Well, at least we're getting more far. Ugh, that's bad. This is increasingly getting more worse and also bad and also weird. What happened? Well, we all remember what happened. That baby took us, and then now... Yeah. What even happened to Newt? Newt, are you okay? Newt? Oh! Something. Oh, hey, I miss you too, buddy. Oh, the pictures. Ugh. God. So, it has to be something. Maybe these two. Because they were the new ones. Wait. Is that the right one? Let me see. No. That's not the right one. We need to do this. What makes yellow? Yes, that has to be the right one. Has to be. I think it was yellow. We didn't even read what was there. Oh, he's on fire? Oh, wait, what? Finally upstairs! And that would most likely mean bring the goddamn baby here! Oh, fuck you. Honestly, I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna keep on swearing. Because that's what kind of person I am. Go upstairs. We need to fix that. No. No, we can't be back here! Imbecile! Not this again! Deja vu! I know, this is deja vu. Okay, no. Wrong area. We all know what to do. Ah! Why do you have cheese on your freaking head? Don't worry, Newt. I got it. I know you're scared. I'm scared as well. I've been scared. We've all been scared. Get over here. I am tired of you. I've been tired. There we go. Oh, God. Oh, wait, we fixed it. No, baby! For crying out loud, how much do you want us to suffer? Recover the core. You're not here! Do we go upstairs? No! God, we kept on dying! I don't remember a route. Go! Where do we go? We're trapped! There's some way! There has to be! God, why do we keep on dying? Where do we go? In there? Door stopper! Brace the door! Where'd you go? There! I couldn't. I'm sorry guys that I died so many times. It's because I didn't know where else to go. Escape with Newt. Head outside. The other way there was a recording outside. There was nowhere to go. Actually, I think I was just going in same old directions. I think that's why I was dumb enough to not realize that. I guess I'm not always a genius. Okay. Outside. And I couldn't recover the cord just yet. Because there was a recording here. And I know it. No. Where did the recording go? There you are.
March 12th.
March
901. The view from the garden and the black star overhead is a mesmerizing sight. I often find myself staring into the abyss, wondering when my time will come.
Oh.
In memory of the fallen, I must persevere.
Oh.